How to rank on Google using SEO. Have you taken the time to learn about SEO? But how do you get a web page to rank in Google now? A page can be ranked in Google in a variety of ways. So, here's the checklist for you. This checklist is meant to serve as an SEO framework. And it doesn't cover every case in depth. Instead, it provides a fundamental overview of how to rank a website from beginning to end. So you may build your own method. Everything is schema. We want schema markup to have its own callout. If content is king, then schema is without a doubt the crown jewel of on-page SEO. While schema does not display on the user's page, it is extremely crucial for two reasons. 1. It can help Google understand your page as supplementary material, perhaps boosting your ranking in certain scenarios. 2. Schema can assist you in obtaining a range of rich snippets, hence increasing your CTR. To be clear, Google does not use the schema as a ranking criteria. This implies schema can help you rank, but don't expect a significant boost. Consider it additional content that search engines can read in order to better understand your content. Standard schemas like as article and local business should be included at a minimum. But you should also consider schema to help you earn rich snippets for your site, such as event, FAQ, how-to, breadcrumb, video, and many others. As a result, many other seasoned SEOs have their own methods for ranking for specific keywords. Choose whoever you listen to with consideration, and seek their guidance whenever necessary. It's critical to pinpoint your sweet spots for success. Outperform the competition, and prioritize based on the most crucial KPIs. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.